Right, our next topic is props and dynamic rendering. And props, short for properties, allow you to pass data from one component to another, making your components dynamic and reusable. Let's demonstrate by creating a greeting component that takes a name as a prop and displays a personalized message. So props are like function parameters that allow components to receive data. Notice how we are using object restructuring in the parameter list to extract name directly. In React, props are passed as a single object containing all the properties. We could also use a props parameter and do props.name in the return statement below to get the same result. The curly braces in the return statement let us embed JavaScript inside our JSX. In this case, we are using curly braces name to dynamically insert the value. Curly braces can also execute other JavaScript expressions like arithmetic operations, for example, 2 plus 2, or function calls, and even conditional rendering using ternary operator. This flexibility makes JSX powerful for building dynamic UIs. Right, I hope this is clear. So let's go ahead and use this greeting component in our app component. I'm going to save it, go to app.jsx, and in here, rather than returning this, I'm going to use the greeting component here. So using the syntax we discussed earlier for rendering, we are going to say angle bracket greeting. And to pass props, we are going to say name equal to React Enthusiast. Right? So here, the app component is now importing greeting default export from /greeting file, and it is passing a string as the name prop to greeting component. This makes our UI dynamic. By changing this prop value, we can easily reuse greeting for different names. Let's see if it is working. Something is wrong. My mistake, I forgot to use the return before greeting component, and now it should work. And here it is. Hello, React enthusiast. And our 2 plus 2 is also working. So let's get rid of this. And here we are. The props are essential for creating reusable components that can adapt based on data they receive. Now that we have a dynamic greeting, let's move on to managing state.